Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo anak-anak semua. Kembali lagi dengan Bu Fatimah. Hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris. Melanjutkan materi yang sudah lalu. Materi hari ini adalah materi yang ada di halaman 8 sampai halaman 11. Jadi tolong disiapkan bukunya, pensil, dan juga penghapus. Simak dengan baik video berikut ya.
Tick. 1. Hi, Seta. Did you go anywhere last holiday?
No, I didn't. I stayed home. It was boring, you know.
2. Hi, Rafa. How's your holiday?
Hi, Nurul. It was great, thanks. My family and I traveled to Palembang by car.
3. Hey, Made. Good to see you. How's your holiday?
It was okay, I think. I stayed at home and cleaned the house.
4.
Hello, Asna.
Hi, Husni. Did you do anything interesting last holiday?
Not really. I washed the car.
5.
Tell me, Asna, what did you do last holiday?
I stayed at home. I helped my mom in the kitchen.
Did you cook?
No, I washed the dishes. 6.
Hello, Ulfa.
Hi, Tigor.
Did you have a great holiday?
Yes, I did. I went to my grandparents' house.
You did? What did you do there?
There are big trees in my grandparents' backyard, so my cousins and I climbed the trees.
Wow, that's cool.
Untuk yang nomor 1, how was Seta's last holiday? Artinya bagaimana liburan Seta kemarin? Tadi dijawab oleh Seta, no, I didn't. I stayed at home. It was boring, you know. Jadi Seta ini merasa boring. Untuk nomor 1 jawabannya adalah yang B. Untuk yang nomor 2, how was Rafa's family's holiday? Bagaimana liburan keluarga Rafa? Jawabannya adalah it was great, thanks. My family went to Palembang by car. Jadi keluarga Rafa ini pergi ke Palembang menggunakan mobil. Jawabannya adalah yang C. Nomor 3, what did Made do last holiday? Apa yang Made lakukan pada saat liburan kemarin? Jawaban Made adalah it was okay. I think I stay at home and clean the house. Jadi si Made ini membersihkan rumah. Jawabannya adalah yang B. Nomor 4, what did Husni do last holiday? Apa yang Husni lakukan di liburan kemarin? Jawaban Husni, not really. I wash the car. Si Husni ini mencuci mobilnya. Jawabannya adalah yang C. Nomor 5, what did Asna do last holiday? Apa yang Asna lakukan di liburan kemarin? Jawab Asna, I stay at home. I help my mom in the kitchen. I wash the dish. Artinya, Asna ini diam di rumah dan dia membantu ibunya di dapur. Dia mencuci piring. Jawabannya adalah yang A. Nomor 6, what did Ulfa do last holiday? Apa yang Ulfa lakukan di liburan kemarin? Jawaban Ulfa adalah yes, I did. I went to my grandparents' house. I climbed the trees. Jadi Ulfa ini memanjat pohon. Jawabannya adalah yang B.
I was the car and I crossed the floor of my sing together. Listen and write.
Hey, Tigor, wait.
Hey, Donna, what's up?
I have something for you. Here you are. 1, 2.
Toy cars? I love toy cars. And you gave me 2. Are you sure?
Yes, of course. They're souvenirs from Malang.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. They are so cool. When did you go to Malang?
Last Sunday. No, last Saturday, not Sunday.
Did you go by train?
No, we didn't. We didn't get train tickets, so we went by car.
It was fun, wasn't it?
It was, but a bit tiring. You know what? We visited Transport Museum.
You did? Wow, cool. Did you see the old cars there?
Cars, bikes, trucks, everything. There were 300 means of transportations there.
300? Really? Did you take any pictures?
Yes, my father did. Here are some pictures. Look, this is me in front of the museum.
Wow, it was very crowded.
It was. There were lots of visitors, you know. So the museum was very crowded. Luckily, the weather was nice, so I could do many things there.
Oke, di percakapan ini ada 2 orang anak perempuan bernama Donna dan anak laki-laki bernama Tigor. Nomor 1, what is the boy's name? Siapa nama anak laki-laki? Jawabannya adalah Tigor. Nomor 2, how many toys cars did Donna give Tigor? Berapa banyak mainan mobil-mobilan yang dia berikan Donna kepada Tigor? Jawaban Donna tadi seperti ini. I have something for you. 1, 2. Kemudian si Tigor ini menjawab, toys car, I love toy cars. Nah, berarti jawabannya adalah 2 toys cars. 2 mobil mainan. Nomor 3, when did Donna go to Malang? Jawaban dari kapan Donna pergi ke Malang adalah last Sunday. Kamu tinggal menambahkan Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. Nomor 4, how did she go to Malang? Bagaimana dia pergi ke Malang? Tadi Donna bilang, we go by car. Jadi dia pergi ke Malang menggunakan mobil. Jawabannya kamu tinggal menambahin kata car, C-A-R. Kita lanjut nomor 5. What did she visit there? Apa yang dia kunjungi di sana? Jawaban dari Donna adalah I visited Transport Museum. Saya mengunjungi Museum Transport. Jadi jawabannya adalah Transport Museum. Kamu tinggal menambahkan kata museum di setelah transport. Nomor 6, how many means of transportation were there? Maksudnya berapa banyak transportasi yang ada di sana? Maksudnya itu pajangan ya, berapa banyak pajangan transportasi yang ada di sana? Jawaban dari kalimat ini adalah 300, 3000. T-H-R-E-E-H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Nomor 7, who took the pictures? Siapa yang mengambil gambar? Tadi si Tigor nanya ke si Donna, did you take the pictures? Apakah kamu mengambil gambar? Nah, si Donna ini menjawab, yes, my father did. Jadi yang mengambil gambarnya adalah ayah Donna. Jawaban dari nomor 7, Donna's father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Dan yang terakhir, nomor 8, what was the weather like? Bagaimana cuaca di sana? Jawaban dari Donna adalah, the weather was nice, so I can do many things there. Cuacanya cukup baik, jadi aku bisa melakukan banyak hal di sana. Jadi jawaban nomor 8 adalah it was nice. Tulisannya N-I-C-E. Oke, sekian penjelasan materi bahasa Inggris hari ini. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.